1. Abraham Lincoln, 16th President, assassinated, April 14, 1865 where? Ford's Theater, Washington, D.C. How President Abraham Lincoln was attending a play, Our American Cousin, when John Wilkes Booth, a famous actor and Confederate sympathizer, shot him in the head. Booth fired his Derringer pistol at point-blank range, hitting Lincoln in the back of his head. Lincoln was carried across the street to a boarding house where he died the next day, April 15, 1865. Booth escaped but was captured and killed 12 days later. 2. James A. Garfield, 20th President, assassinated, July 2, 1881 where? Baltimore and Potomac Railroad Station, Washington, D.C. How President Garfield was shot twice by Charles J. Guteo, a disgruntled lawyer who had been denied a government job. Guteo shot Garfield in the back and arm while the president was preparing to leave for a summer vacation. Garfield lingered for 79 days after being shot, suffering from infection and poor medical treatment before finally dying on September 19, 1881. Guteo was captured immediately and later hanged. 3. William McKinley, 25th President, assassinated, September 6, 1901 where? The Pan American Exposition, Buffalo, New York. How President McKinley was shaking hands with visitors when Leon Zalgos, an anarchist, shot him twice at close range. Zalgos had concealed a gun under a handkerchief in his right hand. One bullet grazed McKinley, but the other hit him in the abdomen. Despite initial hopes for recovery, McKinley died 8 days later, on September 14, 1901, due to gangrene that had developed around his wounds. Zalgos was swiftly convicted and executed in the electric chair. 4. John F. Kennedy, 35th President, assassinated, November 22, 1963 where? Dealey Plaza, Dallas, Texas. How President Kennedy was riding in an open-top car during a motorcade when he was shot by Lee Harvey Oswald. Kennedy was struck by 2 bullets, one in the upper back and the fatal shot in the head. The assassination was captured on film by Abraham Zapruder, and the event shocked the nation. Oswald was arrested but was shot and killed by nightclub owner Jack Ruby 2 days later before he could stand trial. The details of the assassination remain controversial and subject to numerous conspiracy theories.